It's been a pretty intense week, I think, to say the least.
I'm quite happy it's Friday, but quite happy it's Friday. It's been a long week, but the changes that have been made since even last Friday have been massive, huge. Like the machine has only been running the last 2 days or so, and I can just see and feel the flow in the factory straight away. It's unbelievable. Like just few simple processes that you put in place have just totally changed the flow, and the ideas that you gave us were excellent. It's just been brilliant. Like total change.
Awesome. Like, how did you decide sanding was a problem?
We had utter and complete chaos in our sanding area, Brad, so we did. And every job that was going out was just being stuck there in that bottleneck. So we had our spraying machine, but everything was stuck in the bottleneck. The spraying machine could spray so many doors for us in a day, loads of doors. But the problem is we had only humans then to sand on the other side, and it was just so slow.
Right.
And it was really affecting our lead times. I seen yourself on social media, your company STOLBEK, and Cosmo ticked all the boxes.
So you looked around at other machines.
We had looked at other machines as well, but my belief is probably the same, well, obviously the same as yours, is one piece flow, one door, check the door, one door, check the door for quality, and send it through and check it for quality then when it's finished, whatever. But it was so important for me then flying a load of doors through a huge big sanding machine and everyone grabbing, putting it on racks, whatever. It was just going to be, the quality would drop. I felt the quality would drop. And I can just see it with Cosmo in one day out here. It's absolutely brilliant. Great. Really, really impressed.
What was like your first impression when the machine showed up? Did it look like an industrial piece of equipment? Did it look like a toy?
Well, when it first landed and the guy opened the back of the lorry, I said, how in the name of God am I supposed to take this out? Because there was like about an inch either side. And like I had to perfectly back it out, but we got over that. And when we got it into the workshop, we opened up the crate and everything. It's actually quite a little bit smaller than I had seen it on the videos and that. So it doesn't take up a huge amount of space in your workshop, which is brilliant as well. Like,
yeah.
Everything, the instructions and everything are so easy. You know, all the icons, everything are so easy to pick up. So like our guys out there now are starting to, you know, they're just doing it now by themselves. And this is only like the second day that it's fully running.
Yeah.
You know, everything is so simple. The labels, like you measure something, there's a measure icon, you go into measure and it's just there, it's done. So it's just to be guided for the first few times. But after that, then it's really, really good. Absolutely. Everything was coming so much easier because everything is there in front of you.
Right.
Do you know? Yeah. Settings, everything is just easily, parameters, everything is, it's done in a simple format, the whole interface. And like you have the instructions and everything on the side of the machine, the startup procedure, it's brilliant. Like,
what do you think is going to be the biggest difference for you personally now that you have some help in that sanding department?
My kids will get to know me again.
Amen.
Yeah.
I survived to that.
Yeah.
Amen. I'm getting a little choked up right now. I haven't seen my kid in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Because even for myself, I used to coach Gaelic football here and sport and that, and bring my kids to it. But I'd have to leave here at 6 o'clock in the evening and go to the train, and I'd have to come back down here again and sand 20, 30 doors on my own to try and get stuff out the door. So for that, and what Cosmo's doing now, that's going to be gone. And the most important thing for our company is to improve lead times while keeping the quality there. And the quality is still there. Like we finished doors there, they're finished doors on the back out there, and it's absolutely perfect to finish. Absolutely perfect. And I would be particular And it comes, as you know,
I know. I've learned how particular you are.
as you know, I am pretty particular.
Yeah.
You know, so but the finish on the door was absolutely superb. I thought there would be little, hairline scratches in corners of that. It's absolutely perfect. So fair dues to Stolbek, fair dues to yourself. You designed the machine. You're the owner. I can't say enough about even the customer service. When you're buying the machine, you're on a WhatsApp group. We ask a question, and like there's 5 people from Stolbek on that group. Someone's going to get back, and every time we sent a message, there was a quick reply back within like a minute. It was crazy. Do you know? It was just
I
crazy.
heard that a couple of times in the last couple of days. That
It was really impressive because in the 25 years I have been woodworking, and I have various machines out there, but your company is in another league completely when it comes to customer service. I'm not saying it because you're just here in front of me, but it is actually the truth. Everything we ever wanted, any questions, anything was bang, 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 all sorted. Your company is actually on the customer side. You're on the customer side. It's where a lot of other companies are more or less, they'll come in, sell you a product, and once they've sold you the product, bye-bye. Right. Where you came in, you installed Cosmo, but more importantly was you corrected the processes around Cosmo to make Cosmo work even better. Mm-hmm. And that is the secret. That's the secret right there. And I can see it now. After a day. So,
man,
can't say no more.
I can't say no more. So, you you bought lots of equipment. You have lots of machines out there. Do you see a benefit of dealing with other people that were woodworkers first? Like, we were all woodworkers before we started making machines. And
well, Brad, I didn't fly to Canada to look at this machine. We bought it from online. We bought it from what you were saying about it. You're a woodworker, and you also run your own door company. So that's what sold it for me. I seen the reviews that other customers were giving it. And going back again to the icons and how to work the machine, everything is done in a woodworker language. It's a woodworker's language. So it makes it so easy to, like, the only delay would be just to trying to find the different, but once you find them, it's like driving a car, you're there. So, but it's a woodworker's machine made for woodworkers. It's just everything, the language, everything about it. And that's what makes, I think I really hope that Cosmo's going to work great for us. So, and I'm sure it will.
what actually happened this week stack up with your expectation from when you saw it online?
When I saw it online, I thought it's going to do a Pacific job. I knew that it would sand the doors. What's really been the winner for me is that the processes around it have actually dramatically improved. Dramatically improved. Like, there's a system now where all our guys in there were, we were running and racing around. Everyone was everywhere. And at times it was chaos. We were getting stuff out the door, but it was chaos. And one thing that our company wanted to improve on was lead time. So it's just, the whole thing has just, well, you've seen it yourself. You've seen it from the first day.
And I wish we took more video on that.
Yeah, you should have. So just for me, even today, I'm working, I don't have to work as hard, and that's the first time in 7-8 years since I started making doors. Today is really the first day. Like, I was standing around beside you, where usually I feel bad. I have to be working, I have to be doing something, I have to be moving, anything. But it was just, it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling, Brad.
What do you think Bernie thinks? Because she's your faithful partner.
Yeah, she is. Yeah,
You two are in the trenches together, and I know that
we're in the battle. Yeah,
things in the past that maybe strained the relationship.
Yeah.
You're not alone. Every guy likes machinery. We all buy too many machines. What do you think? Have you talked to her? I mean, I'm sure you talked to her in the evenings and stuff. Is she as excited as
She
you
was
are.
excited, yeah, and that's why I wanted her. She does be busy with our kids and that, but and the business, the financial side of it. I try and keep away from that, but she I just wanted her to be here to see the actual change in our factory, in our building, how dramatically it has changed, and for her just to stand here, she sees it and she knows it now, and yeah, she's really impressed and really excited because we want we want our existing customers to be happy. We want faster lead times, great quality, but we also want more customers now because we can take on that work, you know, and hopefully in a few years get another Cosmo because we have to work for it. So that's our aim anyway.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you putting your faith into Stolbek and into us.
And Brad, I just want to say on behalf of myself, Bernie, the lads out there especially, well, you seen Ariel,
It was so cool.
yeah. We just want to thank you for coming back here to our facility here in the west of Ireland. Like as I said to you, you should be out in the golf course or in your office over in Canada relaxing or you know, doing your own stuff. But you came back here, looked after us and made sure our processes were working right. And you're a guy that cares about your customers, which is something that there isn't many companies out there today that have that. You actually care. So we really appreciate that.
Well, thank you.
So you'll always have friends in Ireland, anyway. Thank you. Thanks, Brad.
I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
man, thank you.
Thank you very much for everything. Let's let the weekend start, I guess. The first weekend in 10 years. Let's go.